A drone above Port Talbot for Sally Jones. I dream of the fruit wilt, the problems it gives to strangers, lacking as it does a solitary English vowel. That river runs backwards for some, its water in knots and gnarls against the grain of what they think they understand. Yes, fruit wilt. And because children live beyond words, I ask, what are we but such children, laughing at a language in its agony? I recall boys around the nest, scattering their youngsters, yellow bills, naked throats. I still watch that nest disintegrating. Once at the plaza, we queued to see Anthony Hopkins, feeling the plush of the red carpet, the crushed corn. Not even a city, Port Talbot, then or now, but somehow he grew out of the Breezebrook Church, a tin-roofed pub, Sidler's glass-sharp dew upon its dunes. And Peg Entwistle, what were you but a pebble skimmed across the Avon? Yet I imagine you sponging the pantry stone, then swilling the scullery in Broad Street, where an Amazon Prime electric van is now triple parked against a DPD electric van, double parked beside an unlimited Sahara. Dream on, my mind continuing down Eagle Street, all the way from Domino's to Mandy's breakfast bar, then up to Wetherspoons, the Lord Caradog, first mixture of Avon, then the mosque and the Islamic centre. But the fruit wilt is forever a dockland river now, weary of weirs, this sewer, 10,000 styrofoam stars and Costa cups and COVID masks crusted together in a flow of scum. Its current feeding the industrial wells of the works. If the future is delirious, Margam for me will always be steel, then Swansea Bay and the Meridian Tower, now filling with sand, its refugees without masks, redundant as Gower's iron lighthouse. Once I stood in its restaurant and looked east at this world, the Stone Age, the Iron Age, under the car park of the 12 Nights Hotel, Capelmire, the language's sulphuric haze, forts and ruins, ruins and forts, neon ribbons of the motorway, a drowned child washed ashore on an acid wave, and a sky without chemtrails. And so, farewell to all. But last year's 3 Crown Street, with its poet still shuffling her library cards. Yes, she too will ask, what are we but children, laughing at a language in its agony? Because children have learned to live beyond words.